Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to Knowledge TV. Today we are going to discuss modal auxiliary verbs. Modal verbs. Actually, modal verb shows the mood of a speaker. We have different modal auxiliary verbs, just like can, could, may, might, and a lot of others. In this video, I will teach you only one modal auxiliary verb and its uses. So let's begin with can. Can is a modal auxiliary verb. Can we use for present and future ability? How? Let me give you an example. In this sentences, it shows the present ability. For example, I say, I can paint a room in a day. So it is a present ability. Let me give me example for the can use and for future ability. You can say like this, I cannot go with you. So it shows here the future ability. The second use of it, the present and future possibility. Can use for the present and future possibility. For example, I say, I can be, it can be one of the shop. It can be one of the shop. It shows the present possibility. How it shows the future possibility, like this sentences, it is a clear example of future possibility. We can say like this, it can rain tomorrow. It can rain tomorrow. Third use of it is used for informal permissions. You can say like this, can I come in, sir? It is informal. Can I use your phone? Can I use your phone? Can I use your phone? So this is the informal use of can for the permission. सादे अल्फाज में अगर हम कहें can, हम तीन जगहों पर इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. नंबर एक, प्रेजेंट या फ्यूचर पॉसिबिलिटी के लिए. दूसरा, हम इट यूज फॉर कहाँ पर इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. हम इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं उसको प्रेजेंट एंड फ्यूचर एबिलिटी, जिस तरह के हमने एग्जांपल दिया है. इसी तरह हम इसको इनफॉर्मल जगह पर इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं और इनफॉर्मल परमिशन के लिए हम इसको इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. जिस तरह का एग्जांपल है, कैन आई कम इन सर. कैन आई कम इन सर, सो ये इनफॉर्मल है. इसकी जगह अगर आप कहें कि मे आई कम इन सर, it is a formal permission. I hope you understand the can use, its three uses: for the ability, for the permission, and for possibility. So in next video I will make on could and its uses in different places. So please like the video, subscribe the channels,